In this video, we'll be unboxing Pokit Pro. So we've got our Pokit Pro here in its packaging. On the side, you can see what's in the box. You've got your specs on the back, and you've got just a bunch of different features about Pokit Pro on this side here. So we'll get into the box, and the first thing you pull out is the manual. So the manual is in English, German, Spanish, French, and Japanese. And you'll be wanting to read this the first time you use Pokit Pro, just so you know how to use it safely and properly. Let's slide this out. And you've got this hard case that comes with it. So this will protect your Pokit Pro when it's not in use. And we'll come in here, and we've got a bunch of different things in here. So we've got these wire grips. So these go onto the end of the probes on the Pokit Pro, just so you can grip onto wires. You've got this probe tip protector, just to protect the probe. You've got these shroud tips as well. So these are necessary when you want to do Cat3 measurements. So you just slide those onto the end there. And you've also got this USB-C cable for charging. So pop out the Pokit Pro here. And here's the Pokit Pro. So you've got the button on the top and the switch on the side. You've got a bunch of different warnings here as well as underneath here. So underneath here is the fuse as well, so you can undo these screws to get to that. And you can also take out this negative probe. So it just unravels from the body. So unlike your standard kind of multimeter, where the cables just kind of go everywhere, these ones can just store back straight into the body. So it's nice and compact. And that's everything that comes with Pokit Pro.